I run a digital studio, and like many people in my position, I ran into a common problem. Clients had trouble sending me huge files or sensitive data. Email failed, and sharing credentials is complicated. I knew it could be better, so I built Upload Drive-In. Upload Drive-In is a clean upload portal. A secure link on your own domain allows your clients to upload files of any size. Files land in the cloud storage you already use, organized by the sender's name. Upload Drive-In started as a hacked-together but functional set of scripts. Kiro helped me turn my prototype into a polished, robust app with enterprise potential. I built in about 6 weeks the type of app that would have taken me a year and a half to accomplish on my own. Kiro supercharged my workflow in numerous ways. The file management screen has a level of finish I couldn't have shipped as a solo developer. Next, Upload Drive-In has a clean install experience that I'm really proud of. It guides new users through critical setup steps. Finally, OAuth can be tricky, but here's what I asked Kiro to do. Take my hacked-together Google Drive script and refactor it behind a generic storage interface. That interface spells out the exact methods required to implement other cloud services. Now, adding a new service, such as Amazon S3 bucket support, becomes a straightforward task. Today, Upload Drive-In ships with email authentication, one-click logins, upload notifications, customizable branding, and necessary security features. Next up, I'll add new storage providers thanks to that interface-first design. This hackathon project shows what happens when a solo developer partners with Kiro's spec-to-code horsepower. Upload Drive-In, getting the files from them to you without the hassle. I couldn't have done it without Kiro. Thanks for watching.